another sleepless night. Saw your face in a crowded frame, bathed in city light. You've got a brand new haircut and a smile I've never seen. Feels like I'm watching a movie playing on a screen. There's a pile of dishes in my sink, and my favorite plant is starting to die. I spend my money just to think, and wonder if you ever ask why. Do you ever feel the quiet when you post another perfect day? Does my name ever cross your mind, or have I just faded away? I remember you hated the coast. Now you're surfing on the weekend tide. You're making some kind.
Let's explore different houseplants. We have a rubber plant, snake plant, and cactus. Now let's look at pot sizes. Small, medium, and large pots.